using Instagram ads to drive more app installs in 2019 and 2020. Hey there, friends! App users can make some serious money if they're engaged enough. And if you need to grow your app user base, then there is no better place to advertise your app than Instagram. In this lesson, we're going to show you how you can create an Instagram ad campaign to drive a crazy number of app installs. Start on the campaign creation screen and select App Installs as your marketing objective. Now enter the name of this new campaign into the campaign name field and click on the Ad Set tab to start creating the campaign. Next up, enter the name of the new ad set into the Ad Set name field. Now move to the App section to select the app that you are going to promote. First, select the marketplace where your app is available. Next, click or type the app's name, ID, or store URL on the Enter App Name or Store URL field to find and select your app. Now move to the Audience section to define your audience. In this example, we're going to select the saved audience to target users that are similar to people that we targeted in the previous campaign. Next, select your placements. Then move to the Budget and Schedule section. Here you have to start by selecting an ad optimization. There are 3 available. Select App Events to show your ad to people more likely to complete a specific action on your app. Select App Installs to show your ads to people more likely to install your app. Or select Link Clicks to show your ad to people that are more likely to click on the ad, regardless of whether they install the app or not. For this example, we'll select App Installs. Next, select a budget strategy. Now enter your total spend. Now enter the maximum that you are willing to pay per app install in the Cost Control field. Now select when to start running your ad and click on Continue to start creating the ad. First, enter the name of the new ad in the Ad Name field. Next, click on the Facebook page menu button to select the Facebook page that is connected to your Instagram business profile. Now, check the Use this page for your ad's identity instead of the Ad Name field. Next, select the ad format. For this example, we're going to select single image or video. Now add or upload media to your ad. Then move to the text section to enter your ad copy into the text field. Lastly, preview your Instagram ad in the preview window to the right, and then click on Confirm to launch your new campaign.